Hi, Dr. Nadeem, please comment and give your ideology for the general election in Pakistan coming soon now.
Uh, I am Dr. Nadeem, candidate for Provincial Assembly seat 130, which is the last seat of the Sindh province. So, general elections are on the way, and I am contesting on the seat 130 for the Provincial Assembly of Sindh, Pakistan. So, my key emphasis on the elections is regarding the education services, health services, social services, and providing legal protection for the residents of this area. So I have been doing different medical camps in the whole city of Karachi. About I have conducted about 100 medical camps in different areas of Karachi, and at the same time I have done many extracurricular activities for the youth of Karachi, especially in cycling association, in heavy bike association, in judo karate championships and boxing championships that I have already conducted about uh, these fields programs. So I hope that I will win in this area and make good contribution for the people and make all the people of this area very happy. And I want to remind you that this is the very big jurisdiction of Karachi, that is 130, that starts from this area buffer zone, and it all the way goes to the sector 11A, 11B, sector 8 and 9, and North Nazimabad sectors S and T. At the same time, this jurisdiction is heading towards the Ajmer Nagari area, and it is a very far, I mean to say, it is a big area. And I hope to win the seat for you.
Do
I
you do you expect positive changing in Pakistan?
Of course, I feel that educated people should come forward in Pakistan to make a change, and we need a change, of course, because if a person, any candidate, any minister is uneducated, so you can imagine what he can do for you. So vote for Dr. Nadeem and have a good day. See you on 8th of February. Thank you.